Disaster struck East Bowl when a retaining wall at a construction site collapsed, causing a sudden 4-story residential building to fall. An unforgettable moment occurred when a humpback whale's tail passed dangerously close to a boat, leaving everyone on board in shock. Chaos erupted in downtown Portland when a stolen car crashed into a tram station, passing just inches from waiting passengers. This was pure luck. A massive concrete pole fell onto the street just seconds after people fled from that exact spot. After weeks of non-stop rain, floodwaters in Jakarta broke through a wall and rushed into the street, trapping vehicles in the strong current. This incident highlights the dangers of offshore flights, when a helicopter pilot with almost no fuel was forced to make a high-risk emergency landing. This is a controlled explosion in a quarry, where the detonation breaks an ice-covered shaft, sending shockwaves, dust, and steam into the air. Engineers use these blasts to reshape mountains, moving millions of tons of rock in seconds. A massive structure collapsed during a demolition after an excavator triggered a chain reaction, releasing a giant cloud of dust. Chaos broke out in Toltoypec, Mexico, when a fireworks market exploded, producing huge columns of smoke, intense flames, and continuous detonations. After several days of heavy rain, a sudden flood swept away a concrete bridge in Taiwan, isolating mountain villages and cutting off vital access routes. Streets in Indonesia became dangerous after a strong tornado struck the area, hurling debris through the air and causing traffic disruptions. Giant waves battered the coast of Acapulco, Mexico, flooding seaside structures and forcing people to run for safety. This is ice shoving in action, when wind and temperature pressure force massive frozen plates to shift across a lake surface.
Hey, I better stay back, probably. Holy shit.
A section of a luxury mall in Mexico City suddenly collapsed, breaking apart and filling the area with a thick cloud of dust.
hill.
These violent water rotations are a clear sign of extreme tidal currents, often found near narrow channels and straits. In Hawaii, slow-moving lava crossed a road, burning everything in its path and forcing an immediate road closure.
Oh, now you can probably see it. That's a lava fountain.
This cracked road shows the aftermath of a powerful earthquake in Japan, where ground movement split the pavement. A violent storm hit Los Angeles, completely ripping off a house's roof and leaving the cameraman frozen in shock. During a live air show, a World War II historic plane collided with another aircraft on the ground. Fortunately, no one was injured.
Lovely touchdown nearby after the local time to free. But for all reasons, that's not looking good. Apartment blocks collapsed exactly as planned during a controlled demolition, minimizing damage while producing huge clouds of dust.
car is going to get creamed.
A 23-ton cargo container stood no chance after getting stuck on the tracks. The train smashed into it head-on, launching it into the air like a toy. A sudden hailstorm caught everyone by surprise, smashing roofs and leaving cars buried under ice. This looks like a phone call made at the gates of hell, with violently boiling lava just steps away. Nothing escapes an earthquake's force. Trees sway, houses shake, and metal doors vibrate violently. One wrong move could have ended in tragedy, but luck saved a taxi driver when a balcony collapsed in Colombia. Just steps away, a volcano erupted suddenly, leaving this woman face to face with one of nature's most dangerous forces. A 5-story abandoned building collapsed in Istanbul, covering the street in dust and forcing authorities to close the area.